Push-button app gets you free buyer traffic and automatically creates done-for-you Clickbank money sites loaded with pre-approved affiliate offers. Access Banklify for $197, just $19 one time. Press save to auto-rank your site to number 1 on Google. Banklify will start optimizing your site so Google is desperate to put it on the first page of search results. Easily get tons of traffic and sales every day. There's a chance for the little guy to succeed as well. See, there's something that everyday, ordinary people are using to make billions of dollars every year. Yes, billion with a B. And if you stick with me, you'll see how you can start cashing in. And how others are getting paid within hours after getting started. Now, let me ask you a question. Chances are, you likely have. In case you don't know about Clickbank, it's one of the biggest platforms for making money online. The best part, Clickbank is free to sign up and you automatically get approved for all affiliate offers. You don't need to wait day and night to get approval from vendors. It's single-handedly responsible for turning average Joes into millionaires. And listen, I am not promising you millions of dollars. Because I like to keep things real. When I promise anything, I always aim to over-deliver. But without a doubt, unique content in seconds. Never get punished by Google in the search results, as your DFY affiliate site will have top-tier, unique content. Optimized to rank number 1 on Google. This means you won't have trouble getting visitors. Banklify does the tetchy stuff behind the scenes to send the right signals to Google so your site ranks on the top. Self-updating content. Your site will regularly fill itself with fresh, brand new content on 24/7 so it continues to attract free visitors. It means Banklify curates content for your site day and night on complete autopilot. No monthly fees. For a limited time only, you can pay once and access Banklify without having to pay any additional fees. Haven't you struggled for long enough? Haven't you bought enough products by now? This is your chance to put an end to the nasty cycle of struggling. If you've been looking for a silver bullet, something that will finally help you succeed, this is it. And I'm confident in saying that, because of how well Banklify has worked for us. It won't let you down either. You can count on Banklify to deliver you results time and time again. So go on. Pick up a copy of Banklify right now. We've been working on Banklify for several months now, cranking out countless all-nighters and spending thousands of dollars. And with the amount of value at stake here, we could easily charge $97 a month for this service. Or over $1,000 yearly. That's because this would quickly pay for itself, even at a large price. But for the early bird users of Banklify, we're going to do something you will love. You won't pay $197 monthly. Not $97 monthly. Not $47 monthly. Not $27 monthly. Heck, you won't even pay monthly. Just a one-time price, the same as a cheap t-shirt. To claim your discount, click on any of the buttons on this page. How? We simply send the proper signals to Google. It's just like trying to crack a combination lock. Miss one, and you'll be locked out forever. But after months of research, we've cracked the code for overnight, page number 1 rankings on Google, for any site. And you don't need to know anything about SEO. Because that's taken care of for you behind the scenes. Just auto-rank your site at the press of a button. Want to sell Banklify service and websites to your clients or anything else you want? Want another proven traffic source used by 99% gurus? Want to stop wasting of hundreds of dollars on monthly autoresponder fees? This is definitely what you need. We're giving away this free autoresponder cloud app with inbuilt SMTP for Banklify's customers. Unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, free for Banklify's customers, inbuilt SMTP. With this, you have fully customizable lifetime hosting for your business. You get Banklify hosting for free today. You won't have to pay monthly for expensive recurring hosting anymore. No need to pay monthly fees for Google Drive and Dropbox because you get a free Cloud Drive web-based app today. You can host /backup/store unlimited files using this groundbreaking Banklify Drive app. Here's the deal. To make this a total no-brainer, I am going to place all the risk on my end. If you pick up Banklify and don't feel like it's worth at least 5x its price tag, just let us know within 30 days of your purchase. And we'll happily refund you every penny. This is like nothing you've ever seen before. And that's why we're super confident in making this crazy guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. If you don't like Banklify, you get all your money back and your life goes back to normal. Q. Do I need to pay for hosting or a domain? Nope. We take care of those expenses for you. Your DFY Clickbank affiliate site will be hosted on our servers, and we'll purchase a domain name for you. Q. How long does it take to get traffic? It varies, usually around 24 to 48 hours. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start getting traffic. Q. What devices does Banklify work on? Banklify is a web-based app, so it works on any device that has access to the internet. So you could use it even on your mobile phone. Pretty cool, right? Q. Are there any additional costs involved? Nope. None. All you need is an internet connection and a copy of Banklify and you'll be ready to get buyer traffic. And no monthly fees.